Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, luxury, I love luxury. If you like it, then please subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I will put out a bonus video. So make sure you hit that notification bell so the next time that I upload a new video, you'll be automatically notified. You'll be in the loop-de-loop. So today I am bringing you a luxury haul. Quick, small, luxury haul. I think it's going to be quick. As I stated, one of the things that my channel focuses on is luxury. I love luxury in all aspects, just not designer shoes, designer purses, designer jewelry. In all areas, I love luxury. And I like to share what I like with you, and hopefully you like luxury too. Hopefully. Okay, so quick small luxury haul, a luxury unboxing. I'm looking down because I was trying to decide, do I want to do a single unboxing, a double unboxing, a triple unboxing? I'm trying to juggle it in my little head. A couple of things. In case you see it, I'm going to let you know up front. We've got a little issue going here with the lace on this side. Then right here we have a issue with my little eye socket. The body is just, it's not having it recently. It's just shutting down right now. But to make myself happy, let's do an unboxing. Are you with me? Let's do a double unboxing. Let's start off with the nice black and white Chanel bag. Of course, it has the camellia on it and no type of paper. I don't know what happened. I don't know. Inside I have a receipt. I didn't even get the regular little receipt holder. I didn't get that either, but I got the receipt. And then inside is this a little itty bitty, well, it's not that little, but inside is this. Yes, it is this box. Let me put that down since we're finished with it. This box right here. And inside I have the little skew thingy, whatever this thingy is called. I got it. And then it has the little Chanel booklet. Of course, we have the felt lining of the, hold on. We have the felt lining of the accessory cover. Smooth to the touch. Says Chanel. If you are new to my channel, hey, my name is Carmen and welcome. If you are a return subscriber, you already know what these are. If you are a return subscriber. Inside are some earrings. I love me some earrings, and I especially love me some Chanel earrings. Yes, they are fashion jewelry, but I typically do not have a problem with fashion jewelry other than my earwax falling out, and that's not really, it's not really the actual earring, it's the earwax. But let's get into this quick small luxury haul. I got these pair of Chanel earrings because they are hoops, and I don't think I have any Chanel hoops. I don't think. But now I do. Now I do because I just purchased some. But that is the reasoning behind why I purchased these Chanel hoops. Is because I didn't have any. And I wanted to get some. And this is what they look like. They have diamantes. I call them diamantes. Chanel calls them strass. They're diamantes to me. Okay, rimming the inside of the hoop, and then you have the diamantes all covering the double CCs. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. I love it. What I extremely like about this pair of hoop earrings is, number one, they're hoops. I don't see a whole lot of Chanel hoops that are this size. I don't see a whole lot of Chanel hoops, period. Do I? I don't. My ears cannot take heavy earrings. They cannot, it just does not work for me. So they're not huge, are a nice size. The width, if you see it right here, that's the width of the earring. Give you a closer look of the diamantes. If you put these on, you can wear them this way. But the main reason why I purchased these is because I said, oh, if you turn them over this way, it's a different design. So I not only have one earring, but I have two ways to wear it. And I was like, yes, yes, I want them. So look at the back. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So if we want to be flashy, flashy, blingy, blingy, you know I want to be flashy, I want to be blingy. I like being blingy. But say like if I don't want to be blingy, that might be like, like 4 days out of 7 days, maybe. No, 2 days out of 7 days. Okay, then I'm going to turn it to this side right here. I think this is great. 2 ways to wear this. There they are, right there. So this one is this has a detailing in the back. And this is like gold tone. And then this is with the diamantes. I hope you can see them. Am I going to pop them on? I guess. I like these. These I recently hauled. So go back. Make sure you go back and watch these that I recently hauled. Because I love, these are the bomb. Oh, okay. So I really do love Chanel earrings. So that is my first Chanel accessory unboxing. So let's get to the next one. Oh, you wanted the price. Okay, wait. So these are from the 21B collection. I think right now we might be on the 22. But these are 21B earrings, a gold crystal, and they say something that I don't know. PRLYWHI. Retail price for $750. So yeah, these are Chanel earrings, gold crystal, and pearly white. That's what it says. I don't know where the pearly white came from. But that is what is on the little doohickey, little Chanel tag right there. $750 and total of $808.13. Costa Mesa, California has 7.75% tax. Moving to the next item. Again, same drill. Bag is just a little bit bigger. Black and white Chanel bag with the camellia. And then inside, no tissue paper. No tissue paper. No tissue paper. This is not a medium-sized box. This is just a little bit larger than small. So here is the damage. Wow, it's so small. It's so small. So inside is the little tiny dust bag. Oh, suckies. I'm looking at it. And then, so inside is this gorgeous, gorgeous. It is called a clutch with chain, gold medal. This is from the 22C collection. And this is in the light green, and it retails for $2,625. I'm in love with this color. I love mint green, light green. I would call this mint green. Now I feel like this is lambskin material. And then it has the gorgeous gold tone. I love gold tone. I don't know why. I do not know why, but I do love gold tone. I'm not too much of a fan of the silver, I don't believe. I don't know. Maybe it just depends on the color. But with this mint green color, this gold tone, perfect. Perfect. It's just perfect. Oh, okay. Let me open it up. You have the little felt covering in the front. And then the chain is inside. Oh, it's pretty long. So you get the authenticity card inside. It has 2 card slots, and then it says Chanel, made in Italy. On this little side right here, it says Chanel, and then it says Paris. Here is a little vanity. Quite sure you can hold it just like this if you want to, or you can use it as a crossbody. Just, oh yes. Let's put that up under here. And here we are. This is so cute. So it hits me right here. This is where my waist is. Hits me right at my waist. So I can crossbody it, or I could wear it on my shoulder, but I personally would crossbody this. It looks so cute. Look at the gold tone with the light green. Because I love the trendy. I am a fan of the trendy. Yes. I wonder, do I have a green one? Uh-oh, I hope not. Do I? I don't think so. So this is like a little mini trendy to me. Now it doesn't have the top handle. That would just be the icing on the cake. But it does have the trendy bar that says Chanel right on the front. So what can we fit in here? You probably ask. A credit card. Your phone cannot fit in this, but a credit card, hand sanitizer, lip gloss, lipstick, another credit card, your ID. What else? Not much. Not much. Not much at all. So this is how the inside looks. Just like that. So not a whole lot of room. You know, maybe if you had a small card holder, that would also fit. But I love this. This is so cute. You know, if you want to. I'm not a fan of wearing purses on my shoulder. I do not know why. So like that. You can see the width. No feet on the bottom. None. And this is the side. So this is really cute. Really, really cute. Really, really great for the spring. If you want to wear it without the chain, you probably could like stick the majority of the chain inside and just take it, you know, as like a little clutch. I wonder if you could put it around your waist, and if you had like a chain, and then snap it around your waist to make it a waist belt, that would be cute. So it's all types of ways to wear these little miniature purses. So I'm just so glad that I was able to pick up this Chanel vanity with chain mini purse. It is just like, you know, it's a mini purse. It is. It's not a full purse. But what I want to do, I want to go see if I have, no, I don't think I have it in this color. Do I? I had to go and check to see if I did have in this same light mint green color, but I do not. I have it in this color. So this is, what color is this? This is the light blue. So I'm definitely ready for spring with the light blue and the mint green. Comment below if you like the items that I picked up. Let me know what you think about the Chanel earrings having dual purposes, because you can wear it one way or you can flip it around and wear it the opposite way. Let me know if you like those. So that is it for my quick small luxury haul. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, in the comments below, say hey to me. H-E-Y, hey. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you. You. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.